Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Today we're bringing you this spectacular Vermilion Fire XY GT Replica built from a genuine K-code factory manual K-code car, it is basically a rotisserie restored Vermilion Fire, really no expense spared build. Re-chromed everything, all genuine interior including door handles, which is nice. Engine is a 408 stroker with a 650 vacuum secondary Holly and roller cam, roller rockers, and it is got extractors. Really beautiful, beautiful condition, this car. Got 1,500 miles since the full resto. Just show you under the bonnet. Here we go. So D-block 351, and come along there you can see the Holly in there. You got a big fan. Super big fan there for cooling. I'll show you the tag is a 7th month 71 K and L Fairmont sedan. Amazing. You've got your extractors down there, pacemaker, genuine shaker, and we'll turn it on. Turn the car on and listen to this 408 stroker crank over. Around to the back to hear the lovely note. Just show you inside, and so basically all genuine black GT, genuine steering wheel, all genuine gauges and everything. Then you come through to the back, seat belts, everything basically brand new and GT. Okay, we'll drop this down. And we'll just have a listen to how good this sounds. Nothing else sounds like an XY GT. Magic. Thanks for watching Australian Muscle Car TV.